Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend, and daily practice still continues. Although in the newspaper, the news of today, a lot of riots and people are protesting against the QR codes and the 2G system. Anyway, uh, let's continue daily practice. Yes. Yeah, it's Saturday. Saturday, November the 20th, and yeah, this Saturday November the 20th, 2021. We have also an additional. Yes, I believe last Saturday we have no extra puzzles, but this Saturday six extra puzzles. Extra puzzles. I will do three of them today and tomorrow. Oh, apologies. Tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles. In this puzzle, it is also an quintuplet. I've told you I won't do them anymore, but the link of this large puzzle I will post in, below in this medium regular Sudoku. This one will be number 3711. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudoku's in the additional, this one. 2 stars. 1 star has 27, 2 stars, 26 printed digits. And I need for 2 stars puzzle 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. That's my time limit. Alright, let me scan a puzzle. Okay. Which number shall I pick? How about? We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7, should be here. Alright. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column. So no 1 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then we have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and a 9. Okay. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Okay. And now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 and the 3. 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7. Should be there. Alright. Okay. These missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 is, no, 1 we have, 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. What are the other 2 numbers in this big square? We have a 6 and a 3 there, so the 1 is missing. 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and the 8. We see here 1, the 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. How about here we have 2 numbers again. In this column, 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. Let me mark those because we have a pair here. 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. So what are the other 3 missing numbers here in the middle row? Let me see. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 1, 3, and the 6, 1, 3, and the 6, 1, 3, and the 6, 1, 3, and the 6. No. We have a 1 here. 3, 6, and the 4. 3, 6, and the 4. Yeah. Okay. Well, I cannot put this. Need to wait. Let me think. 2, 2. 4, 4. Okay, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. How about 4, 4? I'm thinking. 1, 1. 5, 5. No. I thought I have the solution. No. Not the solution. 1, 1. 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. And a 9. 9. Okay. 189. 18. No. 1, 4. 149. Thinking. 5, 6, 8. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 7. Yeah. Thinking. Let me put some numbers. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 4. We have a pair. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1. Wow. No, 3 times. Well, I need a 1 here. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. So I've eliminated a 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay. 8, 9. So the 4 should be here. Oh, no. The 3 is missing. Okay. One of the missing number here is a 3. Well, the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 6. 8, 9, and the 4. The 4 should be here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. Alright. Okay. So this box should be 8 and a 9. These 2 boxes, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. This box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 2, 3, 6, 8. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. 13 minutes already passed. 2, 3, and the 6 are missing. 2, 3, and a 6. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 6, so the 6 could be here, could be there. These 2 numbers, 2 and a 3. Okay. 2, 3, and a 6. 2, 3, and a 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So those are the missing numbers are the 9, the 5, and the 2 are missing. 9 and the 5 and the 2. In this middle column, 9, 5, and a 2. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Okay. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The 1, the 3, and the 7. 1, 3, 7. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, and 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. 5 and the 6, let me mark those. 6 and the 5. 2, 3, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see that 4, no 4, that 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4, that 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see this number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Well. These 2 numbers, 6 and the 7, are missing, I see, in the first row. 6 and the 7. I cannot place the 6 here because we already have a 6 there. So this box should be a 6, and that box should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 6, yeah, 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. 1 box left in the first column for number 2. 1, 2, yes. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 3. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Correct. 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and practice still continues. See you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.